how to delete stickers on Snapchat. So the first step is by opening your Snapchat app, and then you may either upload a photo or take a photo by clicking on the shutter button or the record button. So once you have done that, you just simply go to your stickers found on the upper right in the third option right here, just above the cutout or the scissors icon. Once you have done that, you may go to your personalized sticker by clicking on this one. And then, in order for you to delete a sticker, what you're going to do is to press and hold onto that sticker. For example, I will choose this one and drag it to the upper right corner of the screen. Again, you need to press and hold onto that sticker and go to or swipe it to the upper right corner of the screen like this one. And then there you go. You have now deleted your sticker. So that's it. That's how you can delete stickers on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.